Hi everyone. It's been a while since I filmed last time. So the reason why I turned the camera on is because I want to talk about this event that I'm going to. It's called Lightning in the Bottle. And this is happening from May 20th till 24th, 2026. This is my first time going to this event. So this is the package I got, and if you open it, there's a whole descriptions of what's happening, and then this is the wristband. Cute. So we will be there for 5 days, and there is a number behind the tag. So they have an app. I'm gonna open up. Okay, let me see. So there's an app. If you go here, Buena Vista Lake in California, and it says register wristbands. I think I already registered my wristband. Let me see if I can do that again. Oh, it says it's already activated. But anyways, so currently I'm in Kansas City, and I will be going to Kansas City International Airport tomorrow in the morning, and I'm going to fly out to Bakersfield in California. So there is an airport there, and I'm going to get picked up by some transportation services, and then I'm gonna go to the Buena Vista Lake, and then I'm gonna meet my boyfriend out there. So it's gonna be so fun. So just kind of follow through, and if you are interested in this event, I'm going to talk through the whole event. Well, I'm excited, so I'll see you guys there. Bye bye.
Testing.
Man, I go to ride
Testing.
I just got out of the car at the end of the line, but
We're here, baby.
and look how long it's
Lightning
like much,
in a bottle.
It's like much.
Oh, shit.
It's much faster to walk than just waiting in line here. But did you get here early enough?
Oh yeah, we didn't even have to wait in any of this.
Okay, I don't want to go through that dust.
Well, we can wait for them to drive by, but we have to go this way.
Day 583. We're starving and dehydrated.
Well, how do we get out of this desert?
I don't know. We're trying to survive every day.
Wait, I think I see something over there.
I think you're seeing something.
It's a mirage?
Yes.
No. Then some of the neighbors were fighting too.
Why? For the spot?
Yeah, for the spot, and then it's just hot, so everyone was like pissed off. And then so this.
People are camping out. They're actually doing it.
See, people brought bikes and stuff, which I thought was pretty smart.
Oh, that's cute. Hi, Adrian.
Hello. Platforms, I bet people are gonna go wild on it. For all the ladies on it. Dang, this thing.
Woji. Woji. Oh. Oh, this place is gonna look really nice at nighttime, I feel.
What up? Thank you. You're the man. Now I like it.
Day 1. How do you feel?
I feel good. I can't wait for day 3.
Day 2.
I'm gonna be like,
go all crazy. Look, it's misty. Yeah, I feel like they're still putting things up right now.
Yeah, there's definitely
So it's the first day. So I feel like by tomorrow it's gonna be already.
it'll be done, yeah.
Oh no. People dancing there. Everyone, it is day 2, lightening of the bottle. So last night we had a lot of fun, and we are trying to set up a shower so we can shower here. Our tent setup. Probably not gonna sleep for the next couple of days. Need shower.
Alright, go to water. Yeah, a water hole. It might work.
This is smart.
Yeah, this is very smart.
Well, we're going to Gong Sanctuary today.
Gong.
I don't know what to expect.
Should be fun.
I wish they have like more like other stuff like singing bowls. I love those.
Singing bowls?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sure they do.
Yeah.
Sure. There's like a sound bath.
Just finished with the meditative class. Gonna walk around. crazy. There's like a whole bunch of people in like. We're in a yoga class, getting ready for it. Oh, look at that.
I'm only 21, so I've been here since a baby.
Hey, yo, we out here. It's hot as hell, yeah.
Cute. Let's play. Day three. Day three, everybody. Oh my god, I had so much fun last night. We're staying out really late till like maybe 2 a.m. and eventually fell asleep and showered and went to bed again at 4:30 a.m. I'm still going. Wow, I'm doing a yoga class today. That's actually like one of my favorite parts. You can like go to all these different events throughout the day and then party all night. So that was really fun. And we're gonna do it again. Whew. It's hot. Hey, day 3 now.
It's day 4, babe.
Wednesday,
Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Day 4 now. Oh my gosh. I feel like I've been here forever.
We have been here a while.
But anyways, we are having a good time.
We're getting lotioned up to the sun.
Yeah, it's really hot right now. Oh. So I think my favorite is like for dancing and stuff. I like woogies, and then Junkyard like for cool like chill vibes. Like Junkyard is the one.
Yeah.
So,
what did you think about the base stage yesterday?
that one was too much for me.
You
It was
didn't
like
like it?
because it was too bouncy.
Oh, I loved it.
Yeah, I know you guys were enjoying it, and I was like, ugh, ugh. I was like, I need to go rest. I was already exhausted. But yeah, the shower felt amazing though. Oh my god, that cold shower. Yeah, we set up a shower and don't have to use the shower facility. I didn't even know that.
We haven't even used it one time.
No, you didn't have to. It's amazing. Yeah.
Just bring up that energy here, and you can here, you might have down to it.
We're at the art clay, about to paint something, I guess. So random too. We just walked in and we're like, alright, let's paint. Greatest investment ever. No, I can't do it no more. Damn it, no more. What's your favorite part of the whole thing here?
My favorite experience or just my favorite part?
Favorite part?
Honestly, my favorite part, I don't know, there's a couple favorite parts. I just remember like all the lights and everything looking like a different world.
It was.
What about you?
Like just newsprint or any just like cheap paper.
My favorite part was just the whole engagement. So that was fun.
Yeah, I know for sure.
I feel like people watching has also been like a really...
It's been really
paper,
big.
you know what I mean?
Because I see all kinds of people. I see like some little gremlins running around. I see like business people, I feel like. I feel like it's all kinds of people.
Yeah, no, that would actually be awesome.
But like at the end, people are here to have fun. Like knowing that kind of makes me like happy. So yeah.
Yeah, no, that would be...
All the live painters that you see throughout the festival will be showing their work out here, and it's really amazing to see the artwork progress throughout the festival as they're live painting.
Yep. I just found random things. I don't know. I wonder what he's gonna do with this.
What if we have to eat it? Inspiration.
Abstract painting.
Meet the artist.
Coffee, horchata, and mochi donut.
Ube.
You like that ube, huh?
Slow, don't rush, hands up, feel that hush. Black shoe taps on tile, move like you own this mile. One more turn, one more glow. Keep it tight, keep it low. Eyes on me, been gone. We've been here all night long. Hold that line, hold that line. Let it climb, let it climb.